Governor wa county ya Machakos Wavinya Ndeti nigo akumeire nabo igo komochia abakora imirimo be serikali ya county yo ya Machakos anene bali bakonyora emesara batari gukora imirimo asensemo ya public service gender special programs egati yechinsemo chinde asatabira buna bonsi mbache korigereriwa nabo igo kobutwe imirimo.
I'll tell you some of the things that we have heard from the Ministry of Public Service, Gender, Senior Citizen Affairs, special programs, State Department for Public Service. You have 36 cases of shared bank accounts, 14 cases of officers with same ID numbers but with different tax pins. They are being paid by Machakos County. You have 2 cases of officers with same ID but with different payroll numbers. There are 28 cases of officers with same payroll number but with different ID numbers. Yani wezi tu, thieves, while our children are fainting in school without food. You are getting a salary twice. Shame on you.